Downloading data from Grubhub can help you keep track of your orders and preferences. Follow these steps to easily access your data. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Grubhub website or open the Grubhub app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find data download option. Look for a section related to privacy or data management. There should be an option to download your data or request a copy of your order history. Step 4. Request your data. Follow the prompts to request your data. You may need to confirm your identity or provide additional information to process the request. Step 5. Download your data. Once your request is processed, you will receive a notification or email with the link to download your data. Click the link and save the file to your device. By following these steps, you can successfully download your data from Grubhub. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Grubhub customer support for assistance.